This is right under the interpretive center, and it was like a little fort here with some cannons and different things. Fort Canby. And we're going to take a walk around here, see what we can see. Got a few minutes left here. Very thick walls in here. Go inside, you can store ammo or different things in here. And come out here. I don't know what's on this other side. Maybe there used to be a gigantic door here, because look at the size of those hinges here. No, it's lighted inside. It's tall enough I can walk. And just tells a little bit about all the people and a diagram of the place. It says, you are here, so I'm right here. So, and different gun emplacements, I guess, are on that side. Somehow over on the other side of this wall here, I guess. Oh yeah, I think they're down here. More storage for the rounds that go in there. Oh, cool right here. Well, I don't know. Let's go out here. See if this takes me to somewhere here. I guess the guns must have been up here, I guess. There must be stairs over there or something. Am I going to be in your way? Let me get out of the way here. I think this is where the gun emplacement would be, up here, because there's a big pit here where it might have rested on here and hinged around, and maybe it was high enough to go over the top here, and I don't think it would have shot out these little filled in holes. So it must have been a large gun that used to sit on here and pivot around, be way up high there, I guess. I don't know. There's some more steps over here. And we gotta check these. Well, can't go up there. There's a chain, but that's the interpretive center right up above it. It's built on top of this. So that must be the one gun emplacement there. It's another building here. Come down here. Maybe there's some more of them. I don't know. We'll go in this guy. Oh yeah, here's another one. Another storage room. And what used to be another big door. So you got a big gate here. And yeah, that's the other gun emplacement up there. And we got some steps here. I still got a few minutes. We go up, take a look at this one. I doubt if it's going to be any different. Probably just going to be another hole in the ground like the other one. And it kind of is. Everything's ferns and stuff have grown up around it, and whatnot. Down there is where it would have been placed. Storage here. Another set of steps, but doesn't really go anywhere because there's a tree growing right here now. But I guess in the day these trees weren't here, or of course the interpretive center wasn't here, and it'd have a nice view of the entrance to the river or whatever, to the Columbia River coming in from the ocean. So anybody that was a threat, there's a deer right here. Look at this guy. I just came down here, and here's a deer. I'm going to try to get a picture of him here. Let's see. Let's see, here he is. Yeah, Mr. Deer, how are you? How are you, Mr. Deer? How you doing there, buddy? How you doing? You doing all right? Well, you're going to have to go away now, Mr. Deer, huh? Going to go back in the woods. Don't want to stay close to me. All right. Well, the old gun emplacement I think we can walk up top here. I'm going to take a walk up here. There's a railing to hold on to because these steps are kind of slippery here and gooey. But that was a bonus to see that deer there. All right. Oh, I got thorns on me. I got thorn bushes caught on me there. And this must have been another place where you could have a lookout here to help. But none of this was probably there. This is probably all open and a real high point here. So there's our bus down there and some more people. So I gotta head down, but I gotta watch those thorny bushes there. We'll turn this off. And this battery is filled in. The whole hole has been filled in here. So we had one with ferns growing out of it, one where you could see down in the hole, and this one's been filled in, maybe because people were here, but that's the interpretive center built right on top of it here. So all right, I'm gonna head back down here now. Okay. It says battery Harvey Allen on this one. I didn't have a chance to look at names for the other ones, but all right, here we go. Coming back out now, heading back down to the bus. Keeping pace with technology. Oh, we're talking about battery Harvey Allen here. You want to read that? Stop the video and then you can read it here. So I got to get back down to the bus. Okay, there's our bus down there. We got to walk down this hill and around and then get back to the ship. Have our farewell dinner this evening here. So I'm going to have my cell phone here. It's nice crisp air out here now. It's not raining. It's cool. You know, I could even have a lighter jacket on here really because it's so nice outside here. But just heading back down the trail. Okay. Keep disappointment. There we go. Stop the video if you want to read that. Walking back down. Very lush here because you get all the rain. Plenty of moisture here, so everything grows up very nicely. Here, very nice path. If you get tired, there's a little bench. There were a couple other hiking trails there, but we don't have time to go do them. And there we go.
See them? Yes, I see them.
What's up there? Here we have some mushrooms on the tree. Good. Look at those mushrooms, those babies there. Yeah, I don't know what type they are, but they're sure very colorful and very nice here also. But there they go. Nice mushrooms there. Don't know if they're good to eat. They look like they'd make nice decorations though, but gotta come back here. Okay.